gate. So basically, open gate is you record the full sensor size, so that's 3 by 2. And then when recording 3 by 2, you can resize it. So 16 by 9, 9 by 16, and even 1 by 1, without having any loss on the quality of the camera. So, sige next. Bababa na lang ako para makikita ko lang siya. Okay, so as mentioned, it's built for creators. So the USR6B is built for creators, so those who are into video production, you can actually use the USR6B. So those creators, yung mga YouTubers like the guys here from Cookies Production, so mag-shift na sila, pressure. So they will, you guys can experience, the USR6B. So I'll just give a quick specs on this camera. So next please. Okay, so basically it's a full frame mirrorless camera. And like I mentioned, it's a 7K full frame sensor camera. So, like I said, it's open gate. So this is a quick example of what an open gate can do. So next na tayo. Next please. Okay, so this is how the open gate looks. As you can see, one capture many frames. So makikita nyo is using the entire screen or sensor of the camera. And the next, we'll transition to how it can shoot. Go ahead. Okay, 9 by 16 without even reframing the camera. So, like I said, since it's open gate, we can reframe from 3 by 2 to 9 by 16 to 16 by 9, which is next. And even 1 by 1, so a square format. Okay, 1 by 1. Oh. Wow, amazing, right? So actually, it's not the first time that we have this in the camera. So we have the C50 that has this feature. We also have our R6 Mark III with the open gate function. Okay, so next na tayo. Okay, next. So, when it comes to building or creating your stories, ano ba yung magbibigay sa'yo ng inspiration or ng, ng feel of your video? Basically, colors. So, what's good about this camera is that you can customize with the color mode of the camera. So, I'll explain. So, what's the color mode? First, next please, is that it has a preset of 14 different colors. So, these 14 different colors inside the camera is, pwede nyo siya iset and then you shoot already and then you choose from those. But what's interesting is, next. Okay, you can actually use a custom picture. So, pa-next lang para mag-play. So, as you can see here, so from flat colors, you can use the 15-stop dynamic range of the Canon Log 3 and the Canon Log 2. Na pwede mo siya i-color grade, and then with HDR, TQ, and HLG, you can actually play around with the colors. So, you shoot flat, and then you recolor in post. And then what's interesting is, if you have your own look, next please, you can actually upload 14 custom LEDs. So if you have your own look, so like, the GP look, gusto ko ganito, medyo contrast, mababa yung saturation, so gusto ko yung maroon feels, I can actually upload my custom LEDs in the camera, and then I can use that, as a picture profile already for the USR6B. Okay, next. Okay, and what's new is that it has a 5-axis in-body stabilizer. So siguro kahit mas bago yung kamay mo, makakapag-shoot ka pa rin without any hassle on, having yung shakiness when it comes to the camera. So next, I'll show a video sample on how it performs. Sige, next please. Okay, so click lang ng once so the video can play. So, the 5-axis image stabilizer has 7.5 stops at the center and 7 stops at the peripheral. Okay, next please. Yeah, so kahit magulit pa kayo or even the cameraman is moving, the subject is moving, everything is still smooth. So this is because of the subject tracking IS. Next please. And the next, you can also shoot slow recording. So for added drama, you can shoot 4K at 120p. So 120p, very slow-mo, very moody or dramatic. Sige, next please. And then, don't worry about yung getting the focus. So as you can see, the eye on the focus is very nakapit. Diba? Sobrang kapit niya na kahit gumagana yung subject, it tracks the subject very seamlessly. So you can also register people in the camera. So para pag nakita niya yung person na yun, doon siya mag-focus. So di ba, at least yun, may ano siya, may loyalty siya. So hindi ka niya iiwan, nakapit lang siya. But basically, yes, because of the smooth autofocus of the EOS R60. So kapit na kapit siya kahit ayaw mo na. So next please. Okay. Okay, so also what's good or what's new about the camera is that it has a zoom lever. So if you're using a PZ lens, so later I'll discuss our new PZ lens, pwede nyo na siyang gamitin, gagawin nyo lang yung lever ng zoom, at mag-zoom na siya. So hindi na yung mag-manual zooming. Next please. So that's one lever that you see. You can customize the speed of the lever for zoom in and zoom out. Next please. So as mentioned, nandun siya sa trigger shot ng camera, sa shutter button. Okay, next please. Okay, so never miss a moment. Why do I say never miss a moment? Next please. Sino dito yung nagre-record pero hindi niya pala na-push yung record button? Diba? Madami tayo ganyan. So next please. What's good about the EOS R6P is that meron siya tally light in front. Next please. Okay. May tally light siya in front, next please. And then if you are actually recording, there's a red rectangle that would indicate, next, that you are actually recording. So may two sides ka, at least on my side. So one is the front tally light, and then on the screen there's a red rectangle that, would indicate that you are actually recording. And with that, you're never gonna miss a moment. Next please. Also, it has dual SD card slots. One is for CF Express, Type B card, and then one is USH 2 supported cards, so SDX. Any SD cards, wag lang micro. If you have micro, you have to have an adapter, but we don't recommend using a micro card. Like SD card, but basically a high-speed SD card will do. Next please. Okay. Okay, so with the feature of the camera, mapapansin nyo siya later, meron siyang vertical mount. So it's already built in. The vertical mount is on the side of the body, and also you can, use the tripod dun sa baba. So it's just, typical mount for the camera. But what's good about the vertical mount is that if you shoot it vertically, you have many options in terms of handling the camera. Later, you'll also see that yung UI niya will change once it's standing vertically. So next please. So as mentioned, you can do vertical shooting, and then in front of the camera, there's actually a record button. So you don't have to switch from front to back. Kunwari, switch ka, camera. Nalikod ka, sasayaw ka. Actually, you can just press the record button in front, and then that will do, the recording for you. Next please. Okay, so the issue is always, what if it's overheating? What if it would overheat? So in R6P, it's never the problem because it has an internal cooling fan. So you can set from levels that you want para lang hindi mainitan yung recording mo. So that's possible in this camera. Okay, next please. It's also built in a magnesium alloy body. So in terms of its performance, you are sure that the camera is durable. And then also next, the camera is actually dust and weather resistant. So you don't have to worry about, if you're in the rain or you're outdoors or in the snow, and then you're recording using the R6P, it's never a problem. Okay, next please. Okay. So basically that's the structure, right? That's the entire VCU sign-up. So everyone excited about it?
Yes.
So, very quick, I'll just discuss the price of the camera. So, syempre huli natin sa R6P. Okay, we start first with the V10. The V10, with its tiny body, is priced at $21,998. It comes with a free micro SD card, 64 gig. It's 1-inch sensor, so don't be fooled with the size of the camera. It has a 1-inch sensor inside. Next please. The PowerShot V1. is priced at 54,998. It comes with a 128 SD card. Next is the US R50V. The US R50V comes in two colors. Next please. It comes in two colors. We have the white and the black. The price is at 56,998 with 128 SD card. And now the price of the camera that you're actually waiting for. So next please. Very affordable siya. Okay, the R6V is priced only at 148,998. It comes with the SD card, 128 gig. And with the new lens, 24 to 50mm power zoom, it's at 229,998. So very affordable. The price of the lens itself, later I'll announce, but if you combine it together, getting the kit is very, it's worth your money. Okay, next. So since we are still on pre-order season, so you can actually get, your EOS R6V camera with a pre-order bundle of 256 gig CF Type Express card, Type P, and then with a TGY10 16-liter bag. So yung makita nyo sa harap later, so that big bag, it comes with a free, with the purchase of every EOS R6. Next please, I'll be discussing now the lens. So this is our two-part lens, 20mm to 50mm f4 power zoom lens. So this is an additional lens in our lineup. As mentioned, it's PC because it's power zoom. So you can control the zoom inside the camera's body. Okay, next please. Okay, so the 20 to 50mm lens is a focal length of course, 20 to 50mm. And then it has a minimum focusing distance. Next please, para mag-play. So as close as that, that's 0.24 meters. So in terms of the focusing distance. Okay, next. And then like I mentioned, the power zoom. So that lens actually has a toggle of power zoom. So you can choose between power zoom and manual zoom. So next please. So this is one setting of the lens. So you can actually zoom in very dramatically. And even zoom out, adding drama to your video. Okay. So that's 20 to 50mm. Okay, next please. And now, this is the price. The price of the RF 20 to 50mm f4 power zoom is at 99.98. And then we also are announcing two new accessories. The HG200 DVR. So this is our hand grip with a Bluetooth function. So it's priced at 9,000. And then, separately, you can buy the remote, the VRE2, at 3,900. So I guess, that's it for my presentation this afternoon. I'm sure everyone is excited with what's going to try this R6V. I hope you guys are as excited as us.